Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I'm gonna get my old mower going and try to tame an area out here to put up my watchtower slash hunting stand right now. So the urgency is on. I've got 10 days to get ready for the hunt and hopefully get it done as fast as possible so the deer get used to it. Let's see if this old beast will fire up. We only mowed 2-3 times this whole year. Uh-oh. Well, that needs to run a minute. We haven't used it in months and it was ran out empty last we used it. Not looking happy right now for some reason. Never smoked before either. That's odd. Really strange. I hope it kicks out of it. The tank was bone dry, so there's no reason for it. So I also mowed my winding pathways again, which needed it desperately since my knee was not able. I gotta trim a little bit off the sides. But I now have a space cleared. I'm not sure until I do some measurements and testing if I'm making a 4x4, which is my preference, or a 5x5 or a 4x6. I'm going to do some measurements here and some testing on the size of what I need. And I'm probably going to have to trim some tree branches off so I have a better view down the fence lines both ways. The idea is improve security and hunting capabilities here, and a place for Michelle to play up in the air in a fort. She's going to get to the age where she's going to love that type of stuff. So let me do some measurements. So I'm thinking 4x4 because that uses less 2x4 lumber. And Michelle is, what are you doing in the camera? Yeah, that'll use less 2x4s. So I'm thinking 4x4. I'm going to sink a couple posts, stand them up, tie them together, and we'll see how it looks. Now let me cut your feet off. Okay, right here. We're going to mark it here. So we want actually the outside of the post here. Okay, can you pull the tape measure out of the way, please? Thank you. Now this is going to be hard because it's full of roots.
I'm gonna move a little bit.
Okay. It's really hard. See all the roots? All the plants? Yeah. This beginning, the hole, is the worst.
I'm gonna move back.
Okay.
What is that?
What?
What is that right there?
What?
What is that?
What I'm using? It's a post hole digger. Now I'm spreading out the dirt in the topsoil so I don't have a bump to hit with the lawnmower later.
That's a view.
Yeah.
Dad, you have controls on you.
I just want to spread this out. It's in my way. I didn't need to hatch it. I thought I would have to chop. I don't have to. Look, I'm already through the worst of it.
Look at all of this stand right there.
It's all these little plants.
Look at that stand right there.
Yeah, we're gonna probably put some in a bucket from this hole. I think that's what I'm gonna do is fill buckets. I'm gonna get the buckets. Because down there, we might find gold.
I'm gonna go.
Let's get some buckets. This one is crazy, crazy heavy. It's wet. Ugh. Whew. This is heavy. I carried it all the way across the property. There's no other way to get a 10-footer over here. Oh, I can barely pick it up. Ah. Whew. The tendon in my arm gives me trouble with this beast. Well, the trickiest part's going to be getting this level. The top's going to want to be, I'm going to want to get the top level. And that's going to be hard to make sure I dig these holes absolutely precisely level. I have some flexibility within, a 1/4 inch when I put the floor on. So let's see how close I can dig these holes. Oh, I hope I can do it good, because otherwise I'm going to have to lift one of them and put dirt in under it, tamp it down, and do that back and forth till I get these straight. But at least it's only a 4-foot span in between them, so it's not like I've got far to go with the level. I can put the level from top to top. It's going to be easy. Let me get another one in at 4 foot and see how it's going to look. I got another hole in. Now I'm racing against time. Storms are coming in, and I really want to get this platform up today. I am putting the soil in cat litter containers I got at a garage sale, and we'll pan them out later, sort out the gravels and the gold and whatever else. Again, everything here is a resource, so trying to turn everything into some kind of a profit in some way, and I don't need the dirt here anyway. Well, I got that surprisingly good. I had to add a scoop of soil into this one and pound it down. I got it level. Well, that's awesome. So now I need a ladder over here, and I hate to bring out more and more and more equipment because it's gonna rain. But I gotta get up there and get a 2x4 across there to hold them together, and then dig 2 more holes and get 2 more posts in. It's gonna be a job getting a building up on top of there. I know I can get the first floor, but how am I gonna go up? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Well, let's see how this goes. By the way, just so you know, the fence is off for now. I don't work around that stuff. That's I should have mentioned when Michelle was running around. I need my screwdriver. Trying to find a straighter edge. It's tricky. I'm left-handed. How do I do this? This is going to be fun. I might have to go around outside to do this. I'm not sure. I gotta go down on that. I really want to do a straight job on this. I'm going to line this up and put 1 screw in. I'm going to need that, of course. Still good. Well, get these other screws in. Ooh, I meant to ease that down. Well, a down is down, right? These are mega heavy and it's humid. Ooh. Ooh. Which way? Okay. A little bit off. Oh. My phone down. Let's see how that looks. No. That's oh no, really? Did I go too high? Boy, it doesn't take much, does it? I don't think that's straight. I gotta measure this. To measure this way. Be back in a minute. Well, I got it level. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm going to have to put the tools away. It's raining. But I'm going to carry on. Anything that can't be harmed by the water, I can leave out. But I've got to put away the camera and the driver, the power driver, and my phone. Yeah. So I'll probably get the other post in and get all squared up and get the 2x4s on before the rain stops. We'll see what happens. It's been raining. It just stopped. Mostly raining. Melanie and I processed some chickens, 9 of them. I did the hard part, I guess you could say, and she processed the rest. Well, I've been working out here. So let's see what I've been doing. We're both sopping wet, but we just pushed down and did it. I did this after I got the chickens pre-prepped, I should say. I'm gonna, I've got the top squared away. I gotta square away the bottom so I can see it bows out a bit. But I'm gonna put cross bracing all over this thing. So that's 7 foot high. And I've got the flooring done. It's 2x4s, but it's only a 4x4 frame. So I don't think that's a problem at all. And I'm gonna put plywood on top. So I'm about to go over and cut that right now, and I'll take you along. Now here, when I put the first 2 boards on, I mean, it was raining on me, so I didn't count for that properly. So I'll chunk this in with a 4x4 later, and the floor will be supported perfect. That's no problem at all. Actually, more support for the floor that way anyway. More is better. So let's go cut some wood and get it up on top of there and see how it looks. Passing by here, I thought it was cold the other night. See those leaves are burnt? I thought it was cold. It was just above freezing the other night. That poor thing has probably got no life left. That's about the end. It was warm last night, but the night before was cold. My catnip also did not fare well. have my floor. Let's see if I can get it up there. We'll find out how square things are in a minute here. It's still wobbly enough I can square it up as needed, which is good. That was my intentions. Okay, well I'm gonna get a straight line on here, because what I'm doing, I've got this centered from here to here and straight and flush here, and when I got that, I'll go to the other side and I'll square that off and it'll pull everything together. I'm gonna nail this on good enough. Now when I put siding on, I'll overlap a little for a drip edge. Oh, come on, really? Now, I'll get over on the other side and I'll square this off. She said she's under her playhouse. She already says this is her playhouse, because when she gets older she can go up in there. So there's the floor. That's done. Now, I'm probably gonna call it a day. It's getting on near 6, and I think that's enough for a day. That's all I can do. But you like it? Do you like it? Well, I gotta clear up and put things away, and then maybe tomorrow I can build the walls up on there. And of course I'm gonna need cross bracing all the way, everywhere, all the way around. So that's it for today, guys. Please do give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. Never know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. This is Troy from the Do It Yourself World and the Off Grid Project. Talk to you later.